Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another episode of The Sam Show here on Auntie Tay's YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I wanted to show you another way that the Auntie Tay membership files are so versatile, and we are going to be taking a sublimation designed file and using it with Auntie Tay sticker paper to dress up our planners and bujos for the new year. Let's get started. Hey everyone, it's Sam from the Auntie Tay team, and you're watching The Sam Show. Let's go make some fun things. Starting on the Auntie Tay membership website, we are going to go to characters, and under characters, you can go to any of the princesses and you will find the sublimation ribbon patterns. You can also go to styles and go to sublimation, and there's a bunch on there too, but I clicked on Belle, and then you can see you can just click on the size of printer you have, and all you do is click it and it instantly downloads. So I'm gonna do a couple of these, pick out some of my favorite princesses, and then I just click on the file and it instantly downloads, so then I can print them. And you can see under all your downloads, it shows you different sizes. So depending on what size you want, I like the 1/2 inch size. And I'm using the Auntie Tay sticker paper from Shop Auntie Tay. You'll see one side is kind of off-white and is kind of papery, where the other side is bright white. The bright white side is where you want to print on. It also is kind of papery. You'll be able to tell the difference, I promise. And I just sent it to my inkjet printer. So if you have an inkjet, that's all you need. Print it off. And then if you have a Cricut portable cutter, you can use that. I'm just using a rotary blade and a ruler, and I'm just gonna cut the strips out by hand because they're really easy to do. I don't think it's worth cutting out on your Cricut, especially because you're going to lose a lot of the edge space to begin with. But if you want to, you can totally upload them and try to make them a sticker file, but you will have to change up the file a little bit. So the 1/2 inch and the 1 inch sizes are the ones I like to do a lot, and really it's that simple. I like this better than washi tape because 1, washi tape's really expensive, and 2, it always smudges when you write on them. And with this, it does not. So I'm using the Auntie Tay Bujo and one of my strips of washi sticker paper that I'm going to call it at least. And I'm going to use it all over my Bujo. I like to use it for headers, to fill in some gaps, to just kind of go with a theme. I really like color coding my months, so the month will have like a specific color I go with, and I'll change it up every month depending on what I feel like. So you can do like a floral theme or a frozen theme or your favorite princess, or really, you can come up with so many ideas, and I love that even though this is meant for a sublimation file, you can totally use it in your bujo. And here's a couple other ways I used it. I just love the versatility of these, and I love being able to write on them and to have lists and do all the things. So if you guys do this, be sure to tag me and Auntie Tay on social media, and don't be afraid to post in the Auntie Tay Facebook group. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I can't wait to see you next time.